Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best chicken in the air fryer. If you thought this could not be done, it can be done, okay? Your chicken is going to come out juicy with crispy skin and full of flavor. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how to jazz up your rice. Y'all, listen, you getting chicken and rice in this video. Now let's take a quick look at the ingredients. We're going to use McCormik salt-free garlic and herb seasoning, white pepper, chili powder, and adobo with cumin. And we're going to stuff this chicken with these ingredients here. This is a poblano pepper, a jalapeno pepper, fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, green onions, garlic, and celery. We're going to use a 5 to 6 pound chicken. So go ahead and get that chicken and let's clean her up a little bit. I like to start by trimming the tail, the excess fat around the thighs, the neck, and some of the skin around the breast. So go ahead and prep your chicken. You want to dice up your vegetables, okay? Make sure you remove the seeds from the jalapeno and dice that up as well. Crush and peel your garlic and remove the rosemary and thyme from the stems. Now, when you get to that poblano pepper, just cut the tops off and make sure that you remove the insides of the pepper from the pepper. Then you're going to stuff everything inside of that poblano. Should look something like this. Rub some oil on the front and back of your chicken, okay? This is going to help to promote crispy skin. It's also going to help the seasonings to stick. Now is when you need to season the cavity of your chicken. You won't see me do it in this video because I honestly forgot to do it. However, the chicken still came out really good, okay? So if you accidentally forget, don't worry about it. But if you can remember, go ahead and season the cavity of your chicken with the seasonings. Then you want to stuff the poblano pepper inside of the cavity of the chicken. Go ahead and take some butcher's twine. You are going to truss the legs of the chicken. So now we're going to take our seasonings and we are going to season this chicken really good. Okay, so I like to start with the back side of the chicken and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over just like this. Make sure you do the same. Season your chicken really good. Flip it over. Season the front side. I like to season those wings again, front and back, and then I like to tuck them underneath the breast. And I'm just going to continue to season it. I'm going to use my Power Air Fryer Oven Pro, which is an upright air fryer. If you don't have this type of air fryer, that's fine. Just use what you have, okay? I've lined my drip tray with some foil for easy cleanup, and in goes the chicken, okay? So I'm going to cook this at a temperature of 350 degrees for 60 minutes. So here we are after 60 minutes. Now I'm going to take the chicken out, spray it with cooking spray. Now, as you notice, I did not flip my chicken over because of the type of air fryer that I used. I didn't need to flip it, but I did let it cook for an additional 45 minutes. So 1 hour, 45 minutes total. All right, and this is what it is looking like. Now, keep in mind that cook times are going to vary. So it's very important that you use a meat thermometer and you want to check the internal temperature of your chicken. Okay, so once those internals reach 165, your chicken is done. Now is when you want to take that poblano pepper out. Okay, remove it from the chicken. You're gonna let your chicken rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now let's work on the rice. Take all of the drippings from the chicken. You're going to add them to a cup. Okay, you're going to take that poblano pepper with all of those delicious aromatics and dice those up, you know, as small as you can get them. Add them to a pot of plain white rice. Also to this, you're going to add chicken bouillon powder as well as the drippings from the chicken. Stir it all together. Make sure you taste it. and you have the perfect flavorful rice. Y'all, this rice is going to go perfect with that air fried chicken. Let your chicken rest for at least about 10 or 15 minutes before you begin to cut into it. Now I'll show y'all what mine's look like. Okay, so we're just going to cut into this, starting with the thigh, then we're going to cut into that breast. And y'all, this was so good. The chicken was crispy, full of flavor, and it was so easy to make. Like, I am from here out going to make my chicken in the air fryer. Y'all, this just came out so good. We're going to pair this with that rice that we jazzed up, you know. So hopefully y'all will try this recipe. If you try it, you will not be disappointed. I promise you. You will not be disappointed. And this is what it looks like plated up. Okay, you got that rice with a leg quarter on the side. And yeah, there you have it. There you have it. The perfect dinner meal idea. Or if you want to make it for lunch, make it for lunch. Okay. So if you try this recipe, please come back and let me know how yours turned out. As always, I just so appreciate y'all's support. I thank you so much for watching my channel. Comment below, let me know how your chicken turns out if you try it, and I hope to catch you in my next video.